How cool would it be if you could simply hit a button, watch a video, and then start getting payment notifications over and over again? Imagine if you could also get paid when you just give a video a big thumbs up or make a comment. What if you could just do all of these things easily for only a few minutes daily using your smartphone or laptop in the comfort of your home? Today, I'll be showing you this brand new website that only very few people know about today. And I will show you the free step-by-step process. Don't worry, it doesn't matter where you are in the world because this website works worldwide. If you watch this video till the end, I'll even give you a special bonus tip that's going to make you some extra money without doing any work. Pay very close attention to everything that I'm going to be discussing in this video, okay? Because this is a brand new website. I don't want you to miss out on anything. Now, I want you to take a look at this right here. You can see here that there are 5 different methods that can make you money on this website. The first way is to browse websites, videos, and ads. The next is to leave engagement on social media. So that includes watching, liking, sharing, and maybe even commenting on videos. You can also write comments and reviews on certain products. You can even fill out surveys if that's your thing. I personally think this is the best suited method for beginners. Now let me show you the homepage. Remember, you can do this on any device. Be it your laptop or computer, your mobile phone or your tablet, rest assured that this method works in any country in the world, so you'll definitely make good money if you pay close attention. You don't have to spend a dime to make this work. No money, no investment is needed, so let me show you how this really works. Step 1. You've got to select a method of earning. Take a look here. There are so many ways of earning money on this website. You can choose from different options right here. There are 5 great methods as you can see. Next step, start working on the tasks you've chosen, and then you get sent a payment every single time you reach a threshold. You can actually even get paid daily using this method. I think that's what everyone likes. Now let's continue with the sign-up process. If you want to sign up for a free account, all you need to do is click on the button that says Registration right here. It will bring you to this page where you can see your options to start an account. You can register with your Google or Microsoft account, or you can create a new one from scratch by typing in your email and password right here and clicking Next. You'll now be taken to this page. This is your dashboard, and here you'll be able to see your estimated earnings. Since this is a new account, you are starting from $0 because you haven't completed any tasks yet. But don't worry, once you start making money, it will just show up here on top of your dashboard. Now you've started to set up your account, right? You will now go and check your email inbox and look for the email containing the verification link for your account. That way, your account can be activated, so you can start making money. Now back to your dashboard. Here on the side, as you can see, I want you to click on Earn, so you can be directed to this page. Here you can choose your method of earning. You can see here all of these methods. Let's check out the first method, which is browsing websites, videos, and ads. Just click on this green button right here that says Earn. Once again, it doesn't matter what device you're using. You'll be directed to random YouTube videos like this one right here. This time, all you need to do is press play and start watching the video for as long as the timer indicates. Don't forget that you must not pause the video before the timer runs out, because if you do, you won't earn anything. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Going further, let's take a look at the next method, leaving engagement on social media. Again, click on the Earn button right here, and you'll be directed here where you want to leave all sources of engagement on social media platforms. Here is YouTube, Instagram. You can watch videos on YouTube, subscribe to channels, and like videos. On the Instagram platform, you can like posts and follow accounts. These are all really simple and easy tasks that anyone can do. No previous experience needed. You just need to make some clicks here and there and you get paid. I'll show you an example here of watching YouTube videos. Just click on the play button, start watching the video, and wait until the timer finishes counting down. Here is a tip. By clicking on the gear button and turning down the video quality to the lowest setting, you can make the video load and play a lot quicker, and you can save more data as well. If you want to skyrocket your earnings, make sure to click the thumbs up button to like the video and share the video as well. Just click on the share button, copy the link, and post it on other social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. So that's the second way to make money through this website. And there's more. You can make money by writing comments or reviews, filling out surveys, also creating accounts and subscribing to newsletters. And guess what? We can get paid between the range of $1 to $2 per survey we complete. It's as simple as that. You can just do it during your free time, and before you know it, all that money will accumulate. If you may have noticed, I haven't mentioned the website name yet. I know you are anxious to know. The website is zoreclaimy.com. And there is even an app that you can download on your Android or Apple device, so you can complete tasks and make money even when you're on the go. Now here is that bonus tip that I promised earlier. ZoReclaimy have a referral program. Here you can invite or refer friends to the website and you will earn a 12% commission. All you need to do is simply copy your unique referral link here and share it to other people. But wait, I've got another bonus tip coming your way. You can earn an extra couple of dollars with this website, and this website is called Coinbase.com. Here on the homepage, you'll see that there is a button that says Earn Crypto right here. Just click on that button, you'll be taken to this page where you can earn cryptocurrency while learning about crypto. You just need to watch these tutorial videos, and with every video you finish watching, you are going to get paid. It's crazy! Now I'm going to walk you through how it works. Let's take this course for example. Just click on Start Course, and you'll be taken to this page. When we scroll down here, we can see all of the lessons broken down into digestible videos that last only a couple of minutes each, and you get paid money when you simply watch these videos. See here to watch this video that's only this long, and you can earn this much money. If you keep watching videos, the money adds up. You can even invite your friends to use this website and you'll get paid $60. When you're done with the course, you can just go back and complete other courses so you can keep earning money again and again with this simple method. Do you want to learn how you can make $2 per click? Then watch this video! This has been Rachel's Money Guide. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.